Little brown scuttly dragons that hunted down the mice and rats in well-organized packs. Preposterously huge sea dragons that were 50 times as big as the big blue whale. Some say they crawled back into the sea, leaving not a bone nor a fang for men to remember them. Others say they were nothing but folktales to begin with. I'm okay with that.